Hey everyone! Today let's take a moment to celebrate a day that holds a special place in our hearts. India's 77th Independence Day. On August 15th, 1947, our nation broke free from the chains of colonial rule and embarked on a journey of self-determination and growth. Think about it. It's been 77 years since that historic day. Our country has come a long way, and it's all because of the relentless efforts and sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Icons like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and countless others. They gave their lives, their dreams, their everything, so that we could live in a free India. But Independence Day is not just about looking back, it's also about recognizing the present and envisioning the future. Today, we have the power to shape our destiny, to make India a place where dreams come true. Whether it's in technology, sports, arts, or social causes, Indians around the world are making a mark. And that's something we should all be proud of. Every year, the Prime Minister hoists the tricolour at the Red Fort. The air fills with the sound of our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, and it's a moment that never fails to stir our souls. Parades, cultural programs and flag-hoisting ceremonies are held across the country, from bustling cities to quiet villages. It's a day when every Indian, no matter where they are, feels an unbreakable connection to their motherland. And let's not forget the symbols that define us. The vibrant hues of our flag, saffron, white and green, each colour representing a core value. Courage and sacrifice, peace and truth, faith and chivalry. These values are the pillars on which our nation stands. So what can we do to honour this day? Simple. Carry forward the spirit of independence in our everyday lives. Be kind, be just, and be proactive. Work towards a better India in whichever way you can. Let's take pride in our heritage, celebrate our diversity, and commit to a future that echoes the dreams of our forefathers. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Jai Hind.